विद्यार्थी मित्र, मागच्या भागामध्ये आपण वर्क अँड एनर्जी या पाठातील वर्कची डेफिनेशन, वर्कचे युनिट आणि जर एखाद्या वस्तूवर अप्लाइड फोर्स म्हणजे प्रयुक्त केलेलं बल आणि त्याचं विस्थापन यांच्यामध्ये काही अंशाचा कोन होत असेल तर अशा बाबतीमध्ये वर्क कसं निश्चित करायचं, वर्क डन कसं काढायचं हे आपण मागच्या भागामध्ये पाहिलं. Now student, we turn to our next point, that is the positive, negative and zero work. Before go toward the definition of that positive, negative and zero work, we discuss some activities here. Now, pushing a stalled vehicle. When we or some person push wheels, we maybe see on the street a vehicle, some person maybe push a vehicle. That pushing a stalled vehicle, what happens when that person pushes that vehicle moves toward the direction of that push is a force applied by that person who pushes the vehicle. In this condition, the direction of the displacement of that vehicle and direction of the applied force both are the same. We discuss all that activities in reference to the direction of the displacement and direction of the applied force. In first activity, pushing a stalled vehicle, at that time the direction of the applied force and direction of the displacement of that vehicle both are the same. Now see toward the next activity. What is it? Catching the ball with your friend has thrown to you. Catching the ball with your friend has thrown to you. When you are playing some game as like a cricket, and you have the experience that when a friend throws a ball towards you, you will be catch that ball. You will be catch that ball, and by the catching that ball, you stops that displacement of that ball. In that activity, when you catches the ball, at that time you must be apply a force on that ball, and due to that force by catching the applying by you in the catching process, the displacement of that ball may be stopped. It means that when we catches the ball, at that time you apply the force on it or the ball. In this condition, your applied direction of your applied force is opposite to the direction of that displacement of that ball. Now see the third activity. Tying a stone to one end of a string. Tying a stone to one end of a string and swing it round and round by other end of string. Tying a stone one end of a string and swing that stone by round and round by other end of the string. म्हणजे जर समजा तुम्ही एका दोरीच्या एका टोकाला छोटासा दगड बांधला, खडा बांधला आणि दोरीचं दुसरं टोक हातामध्ये घेतलं आणि तो असा गोल 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 गरगर गरगर फिरवला, जसं मागच्या एका भागामध्ये आपण ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी पाहिली होती. In this condition, what is the direction of the applied force and the direction of the displacement of that stone? See the figure. When you when you swing that stone round and round, it is the direction of, it is the round, or it is the path of that displacement of that stone. And string is tied to the stone. That string applies the force on the stone, and the direction of that applied force is toward the center of the circle. But what is the direction of the displacement of the stone? The direction of the displacement of the stone is a tangent to the circle. It means that the direction of the displacement of this displacement and the direction of the applied force, they are perpendicular to each other in the third activity. Now, fourth activity, you have that experience. You have that experience when you walk on the stair in upward direction. As well as you also have the experience walking on the stair in downward direction. म्हणजे आपल्याला शिडी चढायचा अनुभव आहे. आपण शिडीच्या साहाय्याने वरच्या दिशेने जातो आणि शिडी उतरून खालच्या दिशेने येतो. When we walks on the stair in upward direction, what happens? We pull our body to the upward direction. In this condition, Earth also applies a gravitational force on our body. Earth also applies the gravitational force on our body. But we pull that body in upward direction. It means that in the opposite direction of the applied force by Earth. In the opposite direction, with respect to the applied force by the Earth, it means that the gravitational force. म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण जिना चढत असतो, पायऱ्या चढत असतो, तेव्हा आपण आपलं शरीर वरच्या दिशेने घेऊन जात असतो. आपल्या शरीराची ही जी डिस्प्लेसमेंट आहे ती आपल्या शरीरावर पृथ्वीने लावलेले जे गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल आहे त्याच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने. कारण आपल्याला माहिती की गुरुत्वाकर्षण बलाची दिशा ही पृथ्वीच्या केंद्राकडे असते, खालच्या डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शन मध्ये असते. आणि आपण जिन्यावरून चढत असताना आपलं शरीर आपण अपवर्ड डायरेक्शनला घेऊन जात असतो. इन कंडिशन, a force direction of the force applied by the earth, that is the gravitational force, and the displacement of our body, both are opposite to each other. Both are the opposite to each other. But when we walk on stair in downward direction, at that time, the direction of the applied force, means a gravitational force, and our displacement is same in direction. Same way, when we climb on the tree, when we climb on the tree, at that time we take our body to the upward direction on the tree. It means that in the opposite direction to the gravitational force. Now, our last activity, stopping a moving car by applying a brakes. म्हणजे जेव्हा एखादं गतिमान वाहन थांबवावं लागतं आपल्याला, तेव्हा आपण त्याला ब्रेक लागतो. किंवा आपल्याला अनुभव आहे की आपण सायकलवर जात असताना सायकल जर थांबवायची असेल तर आपण ब्रेकच्या साहाय्याने त्या सायकलवर बल प्रयुक्त करत असतो. When any vehicle moving, and that vehicle, when we stopping that vehicle with the help of brake, when we brake the moving vehicle, it means that we apply the force on that moving vehicle, and that is the opposite to the direction of that displacement. That is the opposite to the direction of the displacement. In some activity, the direction of the applied force and direction of the displacement both are the same. At that time, that is the positive work. In some activities, the direction of the applied force and the direction of the displacement, these are the opposite to each other. In this condition, there is also work done, but that is a negative work done. in some case, one example of that our activity, the direction of the applied force and the direction of the displacement both are perpendicular to each other. In this case, there is also work done, but that work done is said to be zero work done. Now, think about it and try to understand. And now we write down the definitions of the positive work, negative work, and zero work, and think about it, which is the positive work, which is the negative work, and which is the zero work in our discussed activities. Positive work. Positive work. When a force and the displacement when a force and the displacement are in same direction, in this condition we know that the theta equal to a 0 degree. What is meant by the theta? Theta is the angle in between the direction of the applied force and direction of the displacement. So that is the 0. In which condition the value of theta is 0? When the direction of the applied force and direction of the displacement both are same. In condition theta is a 0, then the work done by the force the applied force is said to be a positive work. When a force and the displacement are in same direction, then the work done by the applied force is said to be a positive work. In our discussed activities, pushing a stalled vehicle, at that time there is a work done, and that work done is a positive work done. Now, negative work done. Negative work done. In which condition we said that the work done is a negative? When the force and displacement are in opposite direction. When force and displacement are opposite to each other. In condition, what is theta? Theta is 180 degree. Opposite to each other. Then work done by applied force is said to be a negative work. Said to be a negative work done. When a force and displacement are opposite to each other, then work done by applied force is said to be a negative work. And what about the zero work? Before you go to definition of the zero work, now see here the definition of the negative work. When a force and applied, when a force and displacement of this, when a force and displacement are opposite to each other, in that condition theta is the 180 degree. What is meant by the theta? Theta is the angle in between the displacement and the applied force. Then the work done by the applied force is said to be a negative work. See here, suppose it is a direction of the displacement and it is a direction of the applied force. In this condition, the angle in between both the direction, that is the 180 degree. So they are the opposite to each other. Theta, value of theta is 180 degree. In this condition, the work done is said to be a negative work. Which work done is a negative? We discussed the activities. When we are walking on the stair in upward direction. When we are walking on stair in upward direction, in this condition, work done by the gravitational force is negative. Why? We know that the direction of the gravitational force toward the earth, and when we goes up in stair, at that time our body moves opposite to the gravitational force, in which that the displacement, the direction of the displacement and direction of the applied force both are the opposite to each other. So in this condition, work done by the gravitational force is a zero work. Or when we climbing on a tree, at that time it is also a zero work. When we climbing on the tree, it is also zero work. So catching the ball which are thrown by you towards you by your friend, it is also a zero work. When we catches the ball, at that time we apply the force. We apply the force in opposite direction to the displacement. So they are in this condition. When we catches the ball, at that time we apply the force, and by that applied force, negative there is a negative work done. When we break down a vehicle or bicycle, when we break down a vehicle, at that time we apply the force, and that is also opposite to the displacement of that vehicle. So in this condition, the applied force works is a negative work. Now we turn to a zero work. In which condition work said to be a zero? Zero work. When the applied force does not causes a displacement. When applied force does not causes a displacement. When applied force does not causes a displacement, at that time the work done is also a zero. Or when the force and when the applied force and when the applied force and the displacement are opposite, are perpendicular to each other. perpendicular, it means that the theta is a 90 degree, perpendicular to each other. Then work done by applied force is said to be a zero work. It is a zero work when there is no any displacement by the applied force. At that time, the work done by that applied force is considered as a zero work. Or when the displacement of an object and the applied force, they are the perpendicular to each other. Means the direction of the applied force and the direction of the displacement of an object, they are perpendicular to each other. In such condition, the theta is at 90 degree. Theta means it is the angle in between the applied force, direction of the applied force and the direction of the displacement. When that angle is at 90 degree, at that time the direction of the applied force and direction of the displacement, they are perpendicular to each other. In such condition, it is said to be a work done by that applied force is a zero. In our activity, which work done is a zero work done? Which work done is a zero work done? We discuss in the discussed activity, which is that tying a stone to one end of the string, tying a stone to the one end of the string, and when we move the string round and round, in this condition, work done is said to be a zero condition. What happens? Or any more example? Suppose it is our earth, and around that earth we know that the moon is rotating. Around that earth we know that the moon is rotating. It is a moon. We also know that the earth applies a gravitational force on the moon, and that the direction of the gravitational force towards the earth. But the displacement of that moon is not towards the earth, but the direction of the displacement of that moon is in the direction of that tangent. So they are perpendicular to each other, and in this condition we say that when moon rotate around the earth, at that time gravitational force also applies by the earth on the moon, but the work done by the gravitational force is a zero work. Work done by the gravitational force is a zero work. Same way, when we tie a stone on the one end of the string, and by catching the other end of the string we rotate the string round and round. At that time there is displacement of that stone in round shape, and direction of the applying force by the string is toward the center of that circle. So that is also this direction of the displacement and direction of the applied force, that is also perpendicular to each other. So in this activity, the work done by the applied force is a zero work. There are many examples about the zero work, positive work and negative work. So understand about in which condition work done is a positive, work done is zero, or work done is a negative.